And when you enter the software, you need to enter the password. Original is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then will be like this. And then you need to open this one to put the camera, and you need to click the open and press your key here, fingers here, and then put here. Then you can see the door open, and then we put the camera. You can see
我电脑不知道有这个程序没有。
camera.
你告诉我怎么弄，直接插就可以了。
开机之后把这个数据编号嘛，把这个编号在机器里面把它改成一样的。
电脑改吗？
修改。做完就行。我这边说给了一个编号。就是034。
Then press.
就改这个。
其他改完之后，然后就把这个。
Okay, USB connect, and you will see here is upload. This one, I finish upload. Then we go here, date query, and you have to use the finger recognition first again. Then you can check the video. Video and back, audio and picture. Okay, and then you can add it here. And here is setting. We're back, and you can see here this is for face recognition. Here will be a camera, then they can catch your face, then recognize, then you can use the software well. This one will be English song. Thank you for your listening.